Discover trading strategies that actually work. Do you want to learn how professional traders achieve consistent short-term profits? In this video, we reveal the key insights from the book Short-Term Trading Strategies That Work, written by experts Larry Connors and César Álvarez. From practical strategies to psychological tips, everything is backed by real data. Whether you are a beginner or experienced, this book can transform the way you trade in the markets. Stay until the end to hear our rating and find out if this book deserves a spot in your trading library. Hello and welcome to our channel. Here we share our journey into the fascinating world of trading in financial markets. We're not experts, but we use the Feynman method. Studying and teaching is the best way to learn. Today, we're reviewing a very interesting book for traders looking for practical and effective strategies. Short-Term Trading Strategies That Work by Larry Connors and César Álvarez. Click now and let's get started. Who are the authors? Larry Connors. Larry Connors has over 43 years of experience in the financial markets. He began his career in 1982 as an investment advisor at Merrill Lynch, and later became vice president at Donaldson, Lufkin & Jenrette. He is the founder of the Connors Group, a company known for its market research and educational resources. Connors has authored over 20 books on trading strategies and volatility, including the classic Street Smarts, co-written with Linda Raschke. His primary focus is mean reversion strategies and creating simple yet effective mechanical trading systems. César Álvarez. César Álvarez is a renowned quantitative researcher and director of research at Connors Research. He is also a former software engineer who contributed to the development of Microsoft Excel, helping make it the market leader. César holds degrees in electrical engineering and computer science from the University of California, Berkeley. He has been trading since 1996 and specializes in quantitative strategies focused on mean reversion, trend following, and breakouts. Additionally, he runs the blog Álvarez Quant Trading, where he shares research and helps traders develop and test their ideas. Key details about the book. Short-Term Trading Strategies That Work was first published on the 1st of November, 2008, and has been updated with strategies backed by over a decade of research. It is currently available on Amazon for $9.99 in Kindle format, with options for hardcover and paperback. Unfortunately, there is no audiobook version available. Ratings and general feedback. The book has an average rating of 4.2 stars on Amazon, based on over 400 reviews, and a 4.0 star average on Goodreads. Most readers describe it as a clear, practical, and effective guide, although some note that certain strategies need adjustments to align with today's markets. Content summary. The book outlines 16 key strategies for short-term trading. Here are the highlights. 1. Introduction to Quantitative Trading. Connors explains how markets have evolved and why basing decisions on data is far more effective than relying on emotions or intuition. He introduces mean reversion as a core principle behind these strategies. 2. Essential trading rules. Buy pullbacks, not breakouts. Data shows that buying during price dips produces better results than chasing rallies. Avoid buying stocks below their 200-day moving average. Stocks in long-term downtrends generally carry more risk. 3. Using the 2-period RSI. This simplified indicator improves upon the traditional 14-period RSI, allowing for more precise identification of overbought and oversold conditions. A key strategy involves buying when the RSI is below 5 and selling when it exceeds levels like 65, 70, or 75. 4. VIX-based strategies. The volatility index, VIX, is used to measure market fear and complacency. When the VIX is 5% above its 10-day moving average, it signals extreme fear, often presenting a strong buying opportunity. 5. Trading Psychology. The book includes an interview with a former Navy SEAL who shares lessons on resilience and stress management. These principles are crucial for maintaining discipline in trading. 6. End-of-month strategies. Connors explains how institutional investors tend to make significant purchases at the end of the month, creating an upward bias that traders can capitalize on. Strengths. Clear, easy-to-implement strategies. Quantitative support with solid historical data. Innovations like the 2-period RSI and VIX-based strategies. A valuable focus on the mindset needed for successful trading. Weaknesses. Some strategies may need adjustments to suit today's markets. The content may be too basic for advanced traders. Conclusion and recommendation. Short-term trading strategies. That Work is an excellent book for beginner and intermediate traders seeking simple, effective, and data-driven strategies. While not perfect, it provides practical tools to navigate market volatility. If you are starting out in trading or looking to optimize your short-term strategies, this book is a great choice. We've included the purchase link in the description. As affiliates, we earn a small commission if you purchase through the link, but our review is entirely impartial and based on our experience with the book. Rating. We give this book a rating of 4.5 out of 5, highlighting its practical and educational approach. If you enjoyed this review, subscribe to our channel, activate the notification bell to stay updated, and comment if you've already read the book, or if T here is another trading book you'd like us to review. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.